What is up, gamers? My name is Regen. Today, we're going to be doing an S&D live comp of death. Let's go. I really want to play on Seatown right now. I enjoy playing on Seatown. This map. Gonna vote for it right now. Okay. Oh my god. Thank you, COD God. Watch this game be halfway over. Get out. Shut up. Shut up. Can I hear one of my friends? Oh, get that C4. Oh. Oh, picking up the no-scope probably. I'm going to mute this fight. I don't like Xbox Live fights. Oh my god, my team sucks. LA Hunter with the L11 picking up that two-piece. That's a really nice silent shot you got there, buddy. Proud of that. Is everything recording properly? Okay, good. I'm gonna be that guy. Knife the window and climb through it at the same time. Anyone see that? Yep. Everyone did. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna drop shot that area right there. Man, no magic compass. Lag. I just did a double knife of death. Hold up. I will not. Never give up. Follow your dreams. Oh my god, there's an enemy. Follow your dreams of death. Oh my god, I got a kill. Got 2 kills.
The bomb has been planted.
I know you're over there. 3 kills. Ah! No! Where'd you go? No! This is gonna be an ace! No! Oh! That guy has hacks. How did he not? Oh, well, I just suck. Got like. Oh! The guy wasn't even looking at me! Oh, silent shot again. You're a beast, man.
Search and destroy.
I don't know if that's playing with me or not, but I was doing well. Did anyone see that panic knife? Oh, missed it. Okay. Lagging like a bitch right now. Look at you, LA Hunters. Nice 360, bro, Seth. I'm a flink. Hold up. Retake. Sling it. I'm on the roof now. I can't grab. Apparently we're getting owned. No, we're not. Teammates doing well. That's a first. You're dead. Do you have the bomb? Nope. Dude, that was a nice kill streak I had going right there. I was pretty proud of that. Watch him go back in the building. You're dead. Oh, I got the silent shutter. That's cute. Where did he plant? Just here? I'll defuse. Gladly. I'm doing well. 6-ing. Oh my god! Yes, I'm winning for the team. No magic. I'm in the middle of a live comp right now. Dude, that clutch at the start, freaking awesome. Failed it though. Joined in 1 round late. Come in, 6 and 1. Oh no, my ritual. I missed. I'm gonna do a righty-tighty. Let me go. Trick shot. Knife, yeah, burial. No scope. Got a hit marker there, you just didn't see it. I can see your portable radar of death. Not letting me reload. Some guy's on a wumba. It's not safe. Get dragging him out of here, fag. Where'd old mate Right Shield go? Oh no! Please don't hurt me! god, I'm getting kills. Am I 8-1 right now? Is this happening? Yep. This is...
I'm counting on you. Defeat them.
Sound whore.
Red line.
I can hear you.
Time's almost up. Specialist bonus achieved.
How many are left?
We have secured the bomb.
My teammates. Holy shit. Run, Regen! Run! Frickin'. Ninja? Oi! That's not how you ninja defuse. That's mean. Oh. Bitch. God, I hope you kill yourself. It's people like this that ruin the ninja diffusion community. Yep, I'm watching your accuracy just go down. I'm up the top, baby. I never celebrate. Yep. Continue to behave like a retard. Continue this behavior. Look at you. You must be so proud. You're Y1 in a corner, big guy. Hope your controller dies and you can't move. God, I hope you die. I will kill you. What happened to my whole team? It's a 2v5 situation. Oh, my teammate is absolute shit.
Search and destroy.
At least now I don't have to worry about the bomb being somewhere I don't want it to
Destroy
be.
the objective. We have secured the bomb.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Am I like 10-2? 700? Oh Jesus! I can smell you. Oh, 2-piece. This is bad. No! Thank you. How many enemies? I can hear you. I'm gonna get out of that situation. Oh, it's funny. Funny because I didn't take that route. Right now.
The bomb has been planted. Quick draw. Good work. You served me well.
Liam! Liam, oh my god, I'm 15-2! In a live comm, this is awesome! You better be on, no, you're not on my team. Liam, be friend, no! Oh, Jesus.
Destroy the objective.
I need a portable in the corner. Right there. Yep, right there. Thanks, man. I need you to die. I need you to just watch my back all up in this bitch. Top A. Top A, my boy. Top A, man. Top A. You got a mic? You got a mic, Top A? I'm going for a search Moab. Can you help me? That's not me. Oh, don't you?
The bomb has been planted. Good work. You served me well.
I know, right? I know. 17-2 against 4 people. I'm a beast. Look at me. I can sound all these kids with SitRep Pro. This is my second specialist bonus of this game.
Overtime.
This is a gameplay right here. Oh my god. I cannot believe this is happening. Hold up. Hold up, cowboy. I'll throw that over there. I'm gonna head back around here. This is amazing! How is this happening? I've never gotten this lucky before. Last live com, I frickin' went like 2 and 7. This live com frickin', oh my god, we're dead. We're so dead right now.
You're the only one left.
I know I'm the only one left. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. So screwed. No! 17-3. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the outro right now after I got crouch walked, camp, dickhead. Let me turn down my game volume. Okay, so after I soundboard the living shit out of those kids for 17 kills and only 3 deaths, I think that's a gameplay. I'm going to be titling this livecom gameplay during livecom, because that's what it is. I made the host break like 5 times. They had like 3 enemies. Hold up. They were like, oh, top of the leaderboard, look at me. I'm a beast. 3 enemies, like 2 friendly people. And I like almost got an ace at the start and I was crying. Not really. It's bullshit. That guy killed me. And silent shot. But thanks for watching this awesome gameplay livecom gameplay with the MP freaking gameplay. Thank you. Gameplay.